I have only 2 or 3 things to say. One is, please do not forget why is it happening, what is happening, about which you have heard from all the panelists. Why is it happening? What is happening? That means why are the journalists being made to do what their proprietor wants them to do? Please think about it. I leave it to you. And secondly, I want to caution you, I want to inform you, I want to warn you that this will keep happening and you, me and all the readers cannot do anything about it. Only one reason. The reason for this is only one, and that is money. Money is the factor, as they say, money makes the mayor go. Money is the factor which is making or compelling the proprietors of the newspaper to do what they are doing. I think somebody said, front page, New York Times still does not publish a single ad on the front page. Washington Post, I have just come back about 2 weeks ago from the United States. New York Times, Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, these are the 3 leading newspapers. And they do not print advertisement on the front page the way the Times of India does it. I think the Times of India is the worst example in the country which has spoiled the face of journalism today in the country. But please don't forget, as somebody said, Vineet Jain, the proprietor of the Times of India, says I am doing this and who does not want to associate me in this operation or in this venture, they are at liberty to go. Please see all the pages of the Times of India and you will not be able to locate where is the name of the editor published. I can bet if you go through all the pages, you will not be able to find where is the name of the editor published. This is one. Secondly, please don't forget, finally, don't forget that money is going to be the important factor of the newspaper because they want to survive. You know, somebody said about Hindu, they published advertisement. Do you know, if you want to read Hindu in United States, you have to pay $4 per month. I was the one. And if you want to read Times of India in Washington or in New York or wherever, I was in Boston and Chicago for a few days, for a few months in fact. If you want to read Times of India, you have to pay $4 per month. If you want to read Hindu, you have to pay $4 a month. And New York Times you can't read at all. Sunday edition of the New York Times costs $6.50. अगर आप इसको हिंदी में रुपीज में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, then you will come to know how much it is beyond the means of anybody. And daily copy of the New York Times costs $2.50. Daily copy of the Wall Street Journal, which is also a very leading paper, costs $3. How many of us can afford that paper? Those people who buy this paper, they can afford because they have the money. And newspapers are selling these papers at that cost because they know their prospective readers will buy it. So my dear friend, please don't forget, money is going to be. But as readers, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, हर तदबीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे कि तेरी तदबीर क्या है. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.